It's been a year since my initial review of this Hcalory diesel heater. We picked it up for $100 from Walmart, and a year later, it's still kicking. It's been thrashed around in the bed of my truck multiple times. Not only does it still work, it didn't even leak.
Very impressive!
I accidentally left some diesel in there for a few months. I threw some heat in the tank, and guess what? It didn't miss a beat. This thing will keep your tent an absolute oven for the entire night on a single tank of fuel. The fuel pickup is halfway up the tank, so I made this thing out of wood so it sits at an angle and puts the pickup at the bottom of the tank. After a full year of abuse, we highly recommend this diesel heater from Hcalory. It's super quiet. And once it gets going, it barely draws any power. If you're in the market for a diesel heater, please consider picking one up using our affiliate link in the video description. And if you want to see the initial review and what not to do to your brand new diesel heater, watch this video here on the top of your screen. Thank you for watching.